my god, bro. He gets soju all over you, cuz.
My poop off though.
So today we are going to Cars and Coffee. I haven't taken the Subaru to Cars and Coffee since maybe like almost 2 years ago probably. Yeah, this is gonna be a fun one. I feel like a lot of the people over there don't know my car, so it'll be nice to see the reactions and all that. But yeah, I'm with Shane right now. We're gonna head over there and see how it is. It's in Waikiki today, so it's kind of a shitty parking lot. Hopefully I can find, you know, a good parking space because they usually park on gravel and my inner barrels are not gonna like gravel.
I'm not going in that fucking gravel.
Yeah, fuck that. How you guys doing? Kai, nice to meet you guys.
Dude, I've been watching your shit.
Oh, for real? Appreciate you, bro. Thank you. Means a lot, dog. Thank you. Oh shit, I gotta put that back. Just pulled up to Cars and Coffee. The main lot's over there, but it's all in gravel, so yeah, I'm not taking my car in gravel. Can't find a song. It's fucking hot. Sentado, I need to here.
Even when I'm sitting there alone all by myself, it's different when I think you might be with somebody. This shit.
This one's on the BBS's. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Good, dog, good. Got Jay over here. You guys seen him in a couple of videos as well. It's a Subaru dealership. Beautiful. You can park anywhere you like. That's the issue. Oh yeah. Yeah. Heading out. Just got back to Shane's house. Honestly, way too hot at Cars and Coffee. We were sweating, boy. But yeah, hopefully I took enough clips, B-rolls of the cars there. Not sure exactly what we're getting into today, but
Did you know? You guys want to see something crazy?
what?
Did you know? Flip this upside down.
It's cold, like it's ice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Frostbite.
Oh.
Check it again.
Cold.
Oh. Okay, holy shit.
Carbon buckets.
Got a little surprise for you guys when we get home. We're about to head there right now.
Hello, Kai's vlog. If you know, you know. Spacer. 5 mil. Wait.
No way.
Because
How much you wanna bet?
Because
How much you wanna bet?
bro,
How much you wanna bet?
3 mil. I'll bet you $10.
3 minutes. No, it's either 5 or none.
Can I bet you $10 on the 5? Raja. The friend's fucking perfect, I think. Oh yeah, friend is butter. Oh fuck. Cause the setup is fucking gas, dog. Oh yeah, this is fucking sick. What side do you guys like better? This side or this. Cause holy shit, it's like when you see this, it's like ka-ching, and then Doodle Brown.
Your house that color.
I'm just kidding. Hey man, hey. Cause I didn't even see my hat. John the GF.
Let me show you guys why I was stressing so much about this wheel and debeating and stuff. There you go, right there.
Shit, yeah, that's pretty fucking bad.
Look at that.
How is
There's
it
a
holding
full-on
air?
gap. There's a full-on gap in my barrel, all right? And it goes all the way to in here. In here. Look how far this JB weld is away. And obviously the JB weld didn't last very long. But yeah. This guy thought like, oh, it's fine, it's cherry.
He's holding air, right?
It's cherry.
Did you die?
It's cherry. All right, y'all. Here she is. Honestly, the rear fitment could be a little bit better. The front's all right, but yeah, the rear definitely needs a little improvement. But yeah, looks not bad, not bad. I'm pretty happy with it. I don't know if they go as hard as the VXS's, but I like how the Brembo is fully exposed.
15 minutes later.
Well, I ran into some fucking issues. This is what happened, guys. Look at this. This is why you guys can't have sounds, bro. Just honestly, just if you get sounds, don't do it. This is my 6th belt. I have to still change the pulley on the alternator. Maybe that might fix it. Shane thinks it's my idler pulley, so I'm gonna fucking buy one of those and make him install it. And yeah, honestly, like I drove all day today. Sorry, I drove all day today and no problems. Tensioner, pulley, belt was fine. I checked it, belt wasn't frayed. The moment that we dropped the car on the new wheels and I pulled it off my driveway, we drive 1 block down and we hear just and fuck, that happened. Fucking great. Subaru's gonna be 1 down for a little while until I get the pulleys and change all that shit. Other than that, we're gonna go get ready to go party. Oh, one good news is that my front right suspension doesn't really make that weird. There's still like a creaking noise, but it doesn't make the. I swear to God, I'll put my car in neutral. I'll be driving like down the block in a quiet ass like whatever residential or something, and there'll be all kind of people on the sidewalk, and it'll just go. And people will be like, "Brah, cuz your suspension is broken." And yep, they aren't lying. Here's my Serpentine belt, part of it. So
Get a chain out of that, bro.
nah.
24?
Well, length.
Yeah.
Yeah, 28. 28. 28. Just on tree though.
No barrel clasp?
Nah.
Oh shit.
Not clasp.
Oh, just tied.
Yeah, not clasp.
That's killers though.
Cause Serpentine belt, God. I fucking own these Serpentine belts cause you need one every 100,000 miles. I need one every 10 miles. Honestly, guys, I'm done with cars. I'm just going to the bike life already. What'd you say? I think that's 170, bro.
Oh shit.
Cause you're gonna hurt your neck again, bro.
Oh, well, it feels good, dog. You're stretching my neck. It's like a massage. Oh man, I'll put this in your vlog.
I'm trying to take this apart, but fuck that shit's a bitch.
This is a guy. Grandpa Toon, bro. Gram Toon.
Grab tunes.
Gram Toon. Oh, yup. Check the AFR. Check the AFR. Check the fuck. Oh shit, something's not right, cause too much timing. Your cam, you're blocking the cam. Oh shit.
Cam, you're blocking the cam.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Tomorrow for sure.
What are we doing today, babe? We got the 2 fucking Subis in the garage. How close that wheel is. This makes me uncomfortable. What are your wise words for the day?
I have no thoughts. Just vibes.
5 push-ups. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. Hamburger, please. Hamburger. What the fuck happened to that? Corn on a cob, corn on a cob. Good cherry.
Damn. So I posted a video like that.
We're at Calca's. There's rubber stuff he said.
Oh shit.
Go like this and drop it. You're going like this. There you go. Show the world. Turn for me.
I'll pay rent.
That shit shiny.
Damn, G.
That shit could buy me a fucking long block.
Close deck.
436 Gaha Street. Gaha. 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 First time trying this.
Wait, there.
Damn!
Jordan, did I ever put you on something not tasty?
Shano's gonna be correcting one of the fenders that he rode previously, and then we're gonna be fitting these Minervas onto this G. Throwing some arms on it, not exactly sure what arms, but some slight.
Okay, let's take a bet. Let's take a bet.
I think this is gonna take 3.5 hours.
I think it's gonna take us an hour.
An hour? Is that easy, you think?
I've worked on this car countless times.
For real?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
This SpongeBob.
Okay, you and Sarah.
4 days later.
Yeah, that's
Now
it.
you're just jinxing it. Now it's you never do that. You want to stick with? They package these really well.
SPC Performance. Was this lowers? Tie rods?
Camber arms, rear camber. That way too? What the fuck? I never put these ones on. I was reading. You're gonna have to turn the.
Cause like,
Goes like this.
yeah, like that. Damn, it's 24-0 Eagles.
Holy shit.
Third quarter.
Oh, the halftime show's done.
Yeah.
Was it? Where are people talking about it?
Shane, you have the biggest FOMO out of everyone I know you. Are people talking about it? Because you're so stupid.
Oh, I heard something cracked. Was that you?
That's my shoulder.
Butterfly on the shoulder. Oh shit,
Because I promised I go to Dubai.
like borrow real quick. I just gotta dug up my.
Yeah, I gotta hug a look at mine too.
Mine is ready. I'm ready to go.
Yeah, does it not look like I'm ready to go?
No,
I'm fucking ready.
my wrench is already. It's been on. Oh my.
I've been ready, bro. I've been ready.
I know it's at like 100, one of them is at like 140 pounds.
PSI? Holy shit, dog.
This is a fucking bomber. Take this off my back.
So I promise to get this one. Got him.
Okay, well, the other side, good. Seems okay?
The rears are pretty gas. Yeah, I think it's gangster. Oh fuck, this looks sick right out. What you think, Auntie? Good morning, guys. So it's the next day. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. This is probably gonna be it for this video. More sick videos to come in the future, and stay tuned.